Hello YouTube, I'm gonna help you do a glitch. So you gotta go to here, and then you go to a shortcut. And then, this is here, and then you're like, bam. And then you're here. This is a glitch to get to the village in Shovel Knight. Well, I guess it's Plague Shadows. I don't know if this works on any other version other than the, I don't know. I only know this works on 3DS. So, let's go. And there we go. And yeah, there you go, that. And then, hey, and then you get to, I don't know. He calls himself Oolong, but you're not Oolong. That's kind of funny how he calls you Shovel Knight. Maybe he's blind. I don't know. In fact, you can actually talk to the villagers doing this. That's cool. That's fun. And then this. And if you go to the right, it eventually drops you down into the place. And then Percy or Mona will stop you, and then, you know. That's cool. Well, that's the glitch.